pretty much the home screen of the application. May encounter quite a lot of ads with this application. Not gonna lie, when you first open the application, you're gonna encounter quite a lot of ads. So keep that in mind. So here you have a lot of templates which you can use to start drawing what you want. Some of them may see a crown icon, which pretty much means you need a subscription to unlock those options. So for this one here, which doesn't require a subscription, let's say you want to test it out or pretty much use it or draw something. So you have the frames option where you can draw the dog. Running dog here. You can select whichever frame you want. As you can see a lot of frames here. And as well, you can draw from frames. As you can see whichever one you want to use. So I'm going to tap on use template here. We're able to select some other options as it relates to create animations and so forth. Nothing much. And I can tap on create now and it will start creating the option for me to draw the dog. So as you can see, it will give you a preview as it relates to you drawing the similar image as it relates to the dog. So that's really pretty much it. Nothing much. You have some other features here which you can add as well. As you can see here, nothing much for this here. So that's really pretty much it, guys. And once you have pretty much draw the dog here, pretty much can tap on this option here to adjust the frame rate of the dog, which is crazy, but which is pretty much just a animated version of the dog. And if you do tap on this option here, you'll be able to add other things as well. So it will just scroll across here as you can see, and as well can adjust the colors and so forth. So nothing much for that. And this here at the top, pretty much rotate the screen of your device. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. And once you're finished, you can either save or you can either exit the tool, and it will pretty much save the progress for you. And yeah, that's how you pretty much use the application. So nothing much for it, just a simple drawing application. And as you can see here, you can create animations here, you can select the template option. Nothing much really. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So down here, be able to add tap on the plus icon here as well. As you can see, I'm encoding a lot of ads, so many text of those ads is here. So once you do tap on this option, you'll be able to create a animation again, as you can see here. And there's just a lot of ads for this. And any project that you have created with this application will be in the project section here, will be in the draft if you have not finished creating it, and as well will be in the library section here, or gallery section, sorry, for any image that have been completed or videos. So at the top here, this is pretty much we'll say, subscription, as I already said. This you can see here, does pretty much shows you a video draw animation subscription. As you can see here, the unlock premium templates and other stuff as well. They do give you a 3 days feature which you can use. They do offer a lifetime subscription as well, which you can use as well. So all up to you and what you want to get. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you're afraid of ads, if you want to get the pro subscription, there's a lot of ads on this application here. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.